Hello all, I am Mahesh. I have created a single page responsive web application named BookHub as my React Mini project. BookHub is a responsive web application which is a clone of Goodreads where users can log in and see list of books and bookshelves like all shelves, read shelf, currently reading shelf and want to read shelf. User can filter the books based on the shelves here, and user can able to search a particular book based on author's name or a book name. User can see a particular book details by clicking on the book items here. And user can add a particular book to their favorites by clicking on the add to favorites here, and these books will be in favorites tab. And user can choose his theme for the application, either light theme or a dark theme, by clicking on the respective icons here. In this project, I used Figma mockup templates for the design purpose to implement the UI rich and pixel perfect React components. These are the templates for the desktop view, and the templates for the mobile view are these are the templates for the mobile view. These are the Figma mockup templates. Now coming to the features of the application, I implemented different routes for features like login, home and bookshelves, favorites by using the React router components like route, switch and link. Let's see the code to get a better understanding of them. See here. And the components I used in this project is, these are the components. They are book item details, bookshelves, empty favorite view, favorite item, favorites, favorite list, footer, header, home, login form, nav item and so on. These are the components and these are the routes that I used in the project. The next feature will be login and logout. By clicking on the logout button here, we can log out of the application, and here you can enter your credentials like username and password. If you want to see the password that you have entered, then click on the show password. I implemented the username password authentication and persist login state using client storage and JS cookies. Let's verify whether it is working or not. Let's enter the wrong username. The error message is showing is invalid username. Let's enter wrong password. You can see the error message is showing is username and password didn't match. If you enter both username and password correctly, then only it will log in into the website. I have handled the redirection to the different routes. That's why when we log in, it will automatically redirect it to the home page. And also I have implemented protected route to ensure only authenticated users can access the pages like home and bookshelves. Let's verify whether it is working or not. Let's log out. See, now I am unauthenticated person, user. I am trying to access the home page. See, it is redirected to the login route again. Let's access the shelf route. Again it is redirected to the login route. Let's access the favorites route. See, again redirected to the login route. Let's login again. Then when an authenticated user tries to access the login page again, then he will redirect it to the home page. See whether it is working. See, it is redirected to the home route. If an user is authenticated, then he will be able to access the favorite routes, bookshelf and home routes. This is the home page. Here I have implemented React slider using third party library called React Sleek. Here by clicking on the book item here, we are redirected to the book details route. Here I also implemented a loader. I think you can see that. And this is the desktop view. Now we will see the mobile view. This is the mobile view of the home page. By clicking on the hamburger menu, we can toggle between the options here. This is the bookshelf row. This is the theme row. Now on either clicking on the bookshelf or by clicking find books, we can redirect it to the bookshelf route. Here we can filter the books based on the shelves here, and we can also search the books based on the author's name or book name. Let's search one. Here you can see 2 books came. Let's type a random book name. You can see the name that we entered in the search input, it came here. Here bookshelf name will be displayed as the heading here. Currently reading books and all books, read books, like that. The bookshelf name is displayed as the heading. If you click on the book item here, you are redirected to the book details route, and you can add. Okay, let's see mobile view for the bookshelf route. See, this is the mobile view, and these are the icons. These are the filters, bookshelves, and this is the dark theme, and you can toggle to light theme also. It is fully responsive. This is the dark. Now click on the book details. This is the book details route. Here apart from book details, we can also add this book, a particular book, into favorites by clicking on the add to favorites here, and the books which are added to the favorites will be listed in the favorites route. See, and add another book into favorites. Let's see, those two books are added as favorites, and if you go and see, then also it will be added as favorite only. And if you want to delete books from the favorites, then you can delete from favorites either by clicking on the cancel mark here, or go and remove like this also. See, by clicking like this you can remove. By clicking on the find books, then you are redirected to the bookshelf again, and you can add to. If you want to delete multiple at a time, then you can click on this. Let's add another 2 books, then it will be, see, and before deleting, let's see the mobile view. This is the mobile view, and this is the dark theme applied to the favorites route. And this is the mobile view of book details route. This is the dark theme. Now we see, by removing, see, they are removed. Like this. Here I have used React context to implement both favorites route and theme, and for the theme also I have used React context. And for the list of books, I have used fetch to call REST APIs for the list of books and bookshelves details, and to search the books as well. I have used fetch. For top rated book section also, I have used fetch to call REST APIs. Now coming to the tools and technologies used in this project. Technologies used in the project are HTML, CSS, Flexbox, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React.js, React Slick, and Figma and client storage. Now coming to the software tools used in the project. For the design purpose, I have used Figma. Figma is a web-based user interface graphic design app for graphic design work. And for the development purpose, I have used VS Code. VS Code is one of the most popular IDEs used by the majority of the software developers, as we all know. And for the source code management, I have used GitHub. Git is an open source and mostly widely used distributed version control system, and it is used mainly to maintain the versions of our project, like database. And third party packages or libraries used in the project are JS cookies, React icons, React loader spinner, React router DOM, and React Slick. Now coming to the approach, I have followed divide into subtask approach Book Hub app is divided into subtasks like login route, home route, bookshelf route, favorite route, and book details route. And I have implemented the protect route, which is used to ensure authenticated users only can access the particular routes like home route and bookshelf route, book details route, and favorite routes. And later I have implemented the dark and light themes. And challenges and exciting experiences I faced while I am building this project is while implementing the React context mechanism in this project. React context mechanism is used to make data available for all the different components. That helps me to implement favorites route and to implement dark and light themes for the application.